Notes of a Crocodile, written by Qiu Miaojin, is a series of notebook entries written by an anonymous lesbian narrator. It is set in the late 80s in Taipei, Taiwan. It follows our narrator, nicknamed Lazzy, throughout her college years. The reason why Lazzy is writing these notebook entries is because she believes she should have a record of the events of her life before they are lost forever, when she inevitably passes. From a point in the future, the narrator reflects on her relationship with Shui Ling. They were not very close in high school, but they attend the same college and now their lives have intertwined. This book has a very accurate depiction of internalized homophobia and depression. Lazzy feels like society has made her into a shell of herself. The systems existing within it causing emotional distress. Lazzy and Shui Ling are together for her first semester of college, but not in a way that's spoken about. Quote, "I denied myself, and I denied the fact that she was a part of my life, so much so that I denied the dotted line that connected the two of us and our entire relationship to a crime." The prose in this is achingly poetic. It has yearning that rivals the push and pull of the sea, which makes sense because Lazzy uses waves in the ocean as a metaphor for her longing for Shui Ling consistently throughout the book. While all of this is happening, Lazzy is making friends with other queer young adults at her college. Interspersed throughout the book, there are these fable-like chapters that describe a crocodile, and this crocodile poses as a societal spectacle. This is a very heavy-handed metaphor for what it's like growing up queer in the late 80s, especially in Taipei. This story touches on being in love with the former version of someone when you're forced to reckon with the person they are right now in front of you. Lazzy has other romantic entanglements as well, most notably with Xiaofan. Now she is 5 years older than her, and eventually they move in together. Notes of a Crocodile explores themes of dependency, attachment, and what binds us together and tears us apart. At its heart, this story is about the fear of being loved, of being rejected and abandoned. What I will say about this book is that it is translated, and I feel like there are some cultural contexts that I missed out on. Regardless of that, I thought this was a very moving book, and it was incredibly melancholic, and I think it holds a lot of literary merit for being so progressive considering its time. I would love to know your thoughts on this book, and if you have any similar recommendations. This book was very unique, and although it was hard to get through some parts, I am very grateful to have read it. As always, thank you for listening.